Damn. Damn.
Hi Jace, it's Mommy. I just want to wish you a happy birthday and let you know how incredibly proud I am of you. This is a big year for you. You're turning double digits, 10. So I really hope that you have an amazing day, and I want you to know how much I love you.
Shorty got that body out of ya. Hit it once, no time. Set up, you gon' kill my vibe. Stand on my money, don't know my size.
I want to wish you a awesome day on a milestone of a birthday and a journey to manhood. And I love you, son. Happy birthday, and I'll be here always.
That's my heart. Damn. 1, 2, 3, 4, throw up the fives.
Happy birthday, Jace. Happy birthday, Jace.
Enjoy your special day. I love you.
Happy birthday.
Big Jace, happy birthday, man.
I just want to wish you an official happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Jace.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mr. Jace. I heard you're turning 10,000, right?
Happy birthday, Jace. I love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jace.
Average GameTruck parties are a virus, but gamer versus gamer is the cure.
Happy birthday.
Gamer versus gamer.